Elephant facts that will blow your mind. Elephants are well-known animals, but some of their most fascinating facts might surprise you. Did you know that they are one of the few animals who can recognize themselves in the mirror, or that they display many signs of intelligence and problem-solving? If you're intrigued by these and other elephant facts, keep reading to learn more about this fascinating animal. Elephants never forget. Elephants are incredible animals with a whole host of impressive skills, but their ability to remember is especially fascinating. According to National Geographic, elephants not only never forget things like faces and favorite snacks, they also have excellent long-term memories and can recall extremely distant past events even as far back as 50 years. Human beings aren't even capable of that level of memory retention. All told, one study showed that an elephant's hippocampus, the part of our brain responsible for spatial orientation, was 6 times larger than a human's. In other words, scientists believe that elephants literally have better mental maps than we do. Baby elephants are great imitators. Elephants are known for their complex communication and mother-child bonding. And now, it turns out that elephants are also great imitators from a very young age. Newborn elephants can imitate human facial expressions, according to a new study published. Baby elephants actually remember those expressions they see on our faces, as well as sounds like laughter or deep voices. They travel great distances every day, using a kind of GPS-like internal navigation system to return to specific watering holes and other locations they previously visited. This, according to new research from scientists in Namibia, is comparable to how GPS systems work for humans. For example, after having traveled away from their herd, these animals can still find their way back within 10 minutes or so, although their exact route remains unclear. Elephants understand human gestures. While much of what goes on in an elephant's brain is still unknown, scientists have observed that elephants understand human gestures. A fascinating study at Japan's Takayama Elephant Park found that when an experimenter gestured toward an object, a blindfolded elephant correctly guessed which way it was being pointed. Likewise, when humans used a hand gesture to tell elephants where to go, they walked towards their destination right on cue. The study authors concluded that elephants are capable of interpreting and responding to human gestures, even though they lack language skills themselves. Losing an elephant friend can be devastating. Elephants are highly social creatures. They form tight-knit families with many of their loved ones, and are often found living together in large groups. This makes losing an elephant friend devastating. If one dies, it is not uncommon for another to die shortly after from a broken heart. Elephants mourn their dead just like humans do. When an elephant family member passes away, others may be seen caressing its body or covering it with leaves or branches. The trunk is much more than just a snorkel. Elephants can store water and food in their trunks while they roam, so they only need to stop once every 2 or 3 days. Their trunks also come in handy for fighting. An elephant will swing its trunk like a weapon, sometimes knocking down trees. An elephant's trunk contains special muscles that allow it to pick up food, carry objects weighing hundreds of pounds, and even spray dust at enemies like a fire hose. Elephants enjoy mating just as much as humans do. Elephants are among a few other species that enjoy sex just as much as humans do. Despite all of their size, elephants get aroused just like humans do when they really enjoy mating with other elephants. Elephants have even been known to engage in sexual activity when they are extremely old, which is called gerontophilia. This activity is not commonly seen in many animals because it takes so much energy for them to perform these activities. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this.